one you want.
Is yours recording?
So sexy.
Some good screws, huh?
Good long screws.
So seductive.
So,
Something for it yet?
yeah. Oh.
Jesus.
Oh.
Is that battery acid?
No, that's mixing shit. Food, basically.
Okay. Right, this thing smells old as well. Right, if you use your phone now, you can take photos of the bits. Some photos as well. Right, we'll lay them all out at some point.
That's not food.
Would be, yeah.
How would it get in?
Close up in there.
Up the inside. Up from...
I'm sick of your shite, man.
On, move your hand out of the way.
Oh, I don't know what it is eating.
And then you're supposed to try to assemble it back together if you can.
Oh, Jesus.
We should play all these videos at the same time
How
afterwards.
far are we?
You'll lose your mind.
How far do we have to take it apart, like?
All the parts out, laid out.
Do you have an old flathead there?
Shoe skip? Yeah. Here.
You even have to take apart the plug?
Is there a flathead in there?
Yeah, we did last time. Sure, Luke, you got off easy last time.
No, I didn't.
Reap the rewards.
Some random shit in here.
I know. Chain reaction shit. Yeah, that's one of the sounding like the making shit. Yep. Number 2. How many? Is there another one? I'll add a May.
Oh, Christ, man.
I may give them back.
Jesus.
To who?
I gave back 3 already as well. So I must have fucking 8. There's not another one, is there?
Oh no, this is recording in. Oh my god, this is recording like a camcorder. I don't know why it's that way.
Right, so what's going on now?
Flathead or something.
There should be one here somewhere down there.
Smells rad.
No one do.
I imagine you leave the motor alone now. I'd say you wouldn't go disassembling that.
No.
You get a photo of a motor disassembled. Like.
No, you don't send them.
You don't go back together.
There are kilometers of fucking wire on it.
I know, yeah. You'd be a while doing that. Motors are cool though.
They would be cool.
Cool concept.
I feel so old fashioned.
Why are you rotating the fucking thing constantly?
Yeah, stop.
Stop doing that.
There it goes with Danny's face now.
Get away from me.
Does the fuse not just come out easily, no?
That's just
It is there.
John, are you supposed to have like a little lid for it that you can easily take them in and out?
yeah. Not all.
The lamp
It
did.
couldn't be a screw in it. So I'm just
The
gonna...
lamp was an Argos lamp.
Here. Try and find another.
Something really skinny. The back of that Stanley.
That's a great idea, Luke.
Put out the blade as again.
You're getting this one, yeah?
Again.
Got the mess after this. What's that?
It's just for the fuse. If we take this off, then we can get the lead out.
Should we take any photos of these things, do you think?
Yeah, we'll take it after. Should remember where they all came from. Ah, we have the video.
Yeah. That's what they're saying about the video. Is this bit just holding all the motor together basically in the fan?
Yeah.
Right. I imagine we don't have to go like de-insulating the wire now.
I am a bit of copper.
To be fair, getting it back together would be kind of satisfying if you could.
Yeah.
Yeah. We didn't get the lamp to knock it back.
No?
The bottom of it had to be ripped to fuck.
Ah,
We'd apply everything.
Right,
with the lamp. It was a poorly made lamp though.
Is that enough?
that would have been good then.
The rest were just taking apart the motor.
Is this all the motor?
That's the motor.
Is there not
No,
it's a fan there, no?
Fans on the motor.
Yeah, but the fan can't be removed from the
You
motor.
can't
No?
really go messing with that now.
You'll end up breaking my fan.
Can you take any of these bits off?
They're all soldered on.
Alright.
Yeah.
But sure, like, when she was showing it, it was a completely disassembled, like,
If you do, you just.
Oh, nice.
the one in class, they disassembled the, what do you call it?
Beautiful.
Sure, one of the groups disassembled the entire coffee machine and they took it all apart.
Well, we can take the motor apart if you want.
I think just
We won't
for-
be putting it back together.
That's alright, I'd say, like, just for laying it out. It's like, put it back together if you can, but it's not a requirement, so. Did you know how to go about doing that now, where to start?
That's pointless, doesn't it? There's no more to go.
Should be something to do some because like, it has to be fully like laid out every part. Flour's not helping the situation.
Yeah, but like, just call me back at my G. Flour's not helping it, you know, but like, can you take the brushes out?
The which?
Yeah.
The washes, maybe. Do you know? Want to help you?
Flour, everything. Yeah. I don't know if they are not. Tea towel.
Yeah. Get a kitchen roll or something. Yeah. Oh, you're recording this, I suppose.